Hi there. Thank you for coming to join us on Reading with Miss Jess. Today I actually have someone helping me read. This is my daughter, Angeline, and she wants to read a story for you today. So
Hi.
She is going to read Pooh's Windy Day. Okay? And this one's fun because it's actually a pop-up book. So there's going to be at least one page there that's fun to look at.
One day, Rabbit was working away in his garden. Pumpkins and peppers and peas, he hummed to himself. Carrots and cabbage and cucumbers, all for me. Suddenly, out of nowhere, Rabbit was bounced by his pal Tigger. Hey there, long ears, Tigger said. I'm taking a bounce with my friends. You should bounce along with us. Now, Rabbit was rather busy in his garden, but he was also very curious as to where his friends were bouncing to. So he decided to tag along. Pooh and Piglet tagged along too. Follow me, pals, Tigger called, bouncing far ahead of his friends. As the four were bouncing, the wind began to blow. What had been a bouncy day was now a very blustery one. Oh dear, said Rabbit. This is such a blustery day. I'm afraid I'll blow away. Hang on, long ears, Tigger said. While Rabbit was worried that he just might blow away, Piglet was already doing just that. Help, Pooh, Piglet called. I'm going to blow right away. Pooh grabbed hold of Piglet's scarf, but the wind blew and blew, and Piglet's scarf unraveled and unraveled. Soon the small animal was high up in the sky.
And there is Piglet blowing away.
Hang on, Piglet, Pooh called. Hang on, Pooh, Piglet called. Piglet's scarf was no longer a scarf, but just a very long string. Up, up, up flew Piglet, all the way up to the tree where Owl lives. Heavens to Bestie, Owl said. How did you two get up here? Hello, Owl, Pooh said. May we come in? Of course, said Owl, opening his window as the two blew inside. Once Piglet and Pooh were safely inside Owl's house, they realized that it wasn't so safe either. My goodness, Owl said, the wind is going to blow my treehouse down to the ground. The wind did just that.
Look closer.
As Owl's friends thought about a way to fix Owl's house, he said not to worry. As I always say, go wherever the wind takes you.
Okay, that was the end of our story. Thank you for joining us on
Bye.
Pooh's Windy Day.
Bye.